chai with mint. Okay. Now I just take to my breakfast. What time is it? It's almost 12 o'clock, and I finish except to the big balcony. So the big balcony, when I finish it, I go there. It's very hot pa. So I eat first. Okay. It's just a simple breakfast that I prepared. It's quickly to finish that I can eat because I'm already hungry. And thank you again. Thank you for watching of my old videos. Even it's very simply only, and that is part of my living here as a OFW in Baghdad, Iraq. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you. You like me, and I am always telling to you, keep safe. Take care of our health. That is very, very important. Take care again, and bye-bye. Have a nice day to everyone.